This is no 10 Shop I channel. Please help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Please make sure that you subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you. Right, this is no 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs North, Mamelodi Sundowns 4. My brother, how's it?
Tango, my brother, I'm good and fantastic. I'm playing tech and lovely.
Tech and lovely. Yeah. How do you feel about the game tonight?
No, the game was fantastic. Unless these people can complain, then there, because they always complain. But okay,
which people?
Okay, let me tell something. I'm from Merit Drift. Kruger Stop. Yeah, representing soccer lovers there.
Yeah, beautiful.
Sure. Yeah. So then, I was here to watch the game. That was a beautiful game.
Yeah.
But what I can tell you, Nabi must wake up, must pull up his socks.
Yeah. Like maybe which department?
Otherwise, defender, bra.
Yeah.
He's got only one guy there. Who's the guy? Miguel whatsoever.
The one who got the red card. Yeah.
Yes, the one who got, because the guy was playing to my bra.
Yeah.
And he was all alone there. So I think Nabi must work so hard in that department.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we can keep on complaining on goalkeeper, but goalkeeper, he tried other best, but unfortunately, that was Sundowns. I know. Yeah.
They were the best
back, bro. I said I'm representing soccer lovers. I love soccer, bro. As from Merit Drift video, Squad video. So we love soccer. We would love to watch beautiful game. We thought Kaizer Chiefs is back, but no, that Nabi must come back and plus socks and fix up there and there.
And be a competition to you also,
I'm telling you, there's Paris other side there. Do you think Paris is going to compete with that team, Nabi team? No way.
Let's wait and see.
But that Nabi must pull up socks again more than again. No. Otherwise, it's got a lot of work to do there. I'm telling you, my brother. But Sundowns won. What you can say?
Congratulations, my brother.
Yeah.
Inshallah. Offside. I mean, red card. What are you saying?
What I'm saying, why always when we play Sundowns, always there's a penalty. Always when we play Sundowns, there's a penalty. And the Sundowns, they score 3 goals first, so how can they get another red card? They must flow because they have 3 goals. Say penalty, the referee must give flow. They say, no.
The penalty was the first goal, remember?
Yes.
Yeah, and then the second goal, third goal, fourth goal. They just came, afterwards.
No, the referee is a human being. He have the mistake. We know that. But if he want to balance the game, even you have a red card, he must flow.
He must let the game flow.
Yeah,
no, hard luck.
Thank you, my man.
Let's hope that maybe next time they will make sure that the game flows.